In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Helperbird on your computer. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to we're going to search for Helperbird, and we're going to go to their website. And here it is right here. And then we're going to hit download Helperbird. And depending on which browser you're using, that will tell us which one of these extensions you need to install. So since I'm using Google Chrome browser, that's the one I'm going to install. Okay, and then right here is where I'm going to click on Add to Chrome, and it's going to install the Helperbird extension to my Chrome account. So here you can see that it has been added up to my Chrome extensions. And you can, if it's not showing up in your menu up here, what you can do here is navigate over and hit that puzzle piece and click on that pin, and it'll pin it at the top. And then in the second video, we show you how to turn on Helperbird and use it. So I hope this helps.